Hi, we have got a cutting board that needs to be cleaned. I've been scraping it for 2 or 3 minutes here. Got an extra minute, and I noticed that it's getting kind of dingy. So you get a buildup from using it. All that stuff is coming off of there. And what I'm using is just the bottom from this grater. You get these graters, and they have like this low bottom. And this is a fairly thick piece of stainless steel. It's probably 16 or 18 gauge, somewhere in there. But I just use the bottom here, and I just scrape it, just like that. See that gunk come off there? Just like that. And you can use anything that's metal and has a straight edge. I would imagine you could get like a 3-inch scraper or putty knife and do the same thing. You don't want anything too small because you don't want to gouge it. You just kind of want to go over the surface. See that? That is all stuff that just builds up over time. So every 3 months or so, I'll come through and I will scrape it. And I also, when I'm done scraping, which I am, that looks pretty okay, just kind of wipe it off. Make sure you get all the little crumbs of that build up off there. Just take a little bit of your coconut oil. See that? Put it on there and massage. And this is great for your hands too. I use this a lot of times instead of like a hand cream. I don't use any hand creams. I just throw a little bit of this coconut oil on my hands, and it works wonders, especially at night. If you're going to bed, put a little bit of coconut oil on your hands, or massage it in a little bit. Go to sleep, and the next day your hands will feel great. But that's how I keep my cutting board clean. I made this about 15 years ago. It was about 2 inches. Oh, probably 18 inches this way and about 2 feet this way. It's heavy, but I'll have it for the rest of my life. Well, this is Hap for Hap Around the House. If you like our videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.